What about the, yeah, sure. What, the kickstand? Oh. Is that right? Very clever kickstand. Yeah.
It is, I was confused by that.
I'm very confused by it. I still haven't figured it out. How does it do
that?
that?
Right, ready, steady. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, bro.
In a bit! I think it's fine.
With your foot.
I don't.
Oh, good. They got themselves going. Okay, then I think you and Marat should have a go with Marat in front.
Okay, fine. Okay, so we'll have to close this
Is there a path
backpack off, yes.
along there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go on it then. See you later.
Well, where's he going?
Around the same. Ben, do keep your eyes open for cars because this is a car park.
Ready, put your legs down. Go, go, go.
Ooh.
I think it's best I go at the front.
Yeah, you would say that.
Right, Maret wants to go at the front now.
Yeah.
Just that's right.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Okay.
There you go.
He lives on the front porch. Go, Dad!
That's the most I've ever heard Merit speak.
I know.
Well, that loudly anyway.
Yes, you're right.
Right, Ben, wait now, because there's a car.
Go around again.
No.
Oh, no,
I know what's wrong with
there's
this.
a car behind.
Hilarious.
Yeah. Brilliant. That was very strange, and also I kept banging my foot.
Watch it, Ben, because there are cars.
No, I did because my legs are shorter.
Ben.
Woohoo!
Yay, Ben.
He thought you had a phone, didn't he?
Yeah, he loves the photo opportunity.
Cheap here.
It's not.
Idea. Where are we? We're on the boardwalk in, where is it? Orange County? No, Orange Trail
Orange Trail.
Park, Nature Reserve. So this is the boardwalk, which is rather good actually because here, look, it's really rather swampy.
Mm.
Actually, it's rather pleasant. There's a little fern under there. Did I see a bird box up there somewhere in the tree? Oh yeah, there we are. Lovely and quiet, isn't it? Let's zoom in a bit. Is that? Do you think that is the dodder vine? Dodder vine that just kills off everything and is infesting. There's a load of it over there. Look, it's infesting this whole place, isn't it? But right up in the tree there. Can you see how far? Right up in the top of those trees. Over there. It's quite worrying, isn't it? Is it?
Yeah, it is. Really high.
Yeah.
Here, and it obviously completely shrouds the trees.
And it's very successful, isn't it, looking at it?
Yes.
Although it is actually rather beautiful, isn't it?
Well, it is, except that it's kind of creepy the way it obscures the shapes, the real shapes of the trees.
Yeah.
And it must kill the tree
Yes.
because
Well,
it takes away all the
shades
light.
Yeah.
Over here you can see.
Sounds like they've been shrouded.
Yes, it's kind of like ghostly, ghoulish, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Yes, you're right, especially there.
Oh,
Wow.
I see. North Georgia, somewhere didn't belong here, somewhere other than here, this country, because it grew so quickly and provided great fodder, and they thought maybe ground cover properties, and ground soil erosion protection. And it just takes over like this. And kudzu is like this, only it's got a bigger leaf.
Yes, you can't.
And the only way to get rid of it is if it doesn't get any water.
Oh gosh.
And unfortunately, that's not.
Yes, I can go in there.